Hey guys, it's Robin. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover. If you haven't already, would you please give us a thumbs up? For some reason, it makes a big difference to the algorithm people. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am really excited about all the new people that have subscribed recently, but I know there's still a bunch of you out there who are watching but haven't subscribed. And we love each and every one of you, but we'd love it even more if you'd subscribe. Guess what showed up? A box from Furls. Okay, let me tell you what happened. Miss Morgan was crocheting away the other day and her furls broke. Tip broke right off. Doesn't happen often, but it happens. And I wasn't home. I don't know where I was, but she sent me a message and she's like, my furls broke. And I said, no problem. It's under warranty. And she goes, what do you mean it's under warranty? And I told her, I guess she didn't know. And so I'm going to let you guys know. If you break a furls hook and you purchased it from them directly, it's under warranty. Now, in the past, at the very beginning of my knowledge about furls, I had purchased one or two hooks, I don't remember, from, I want to say Mary Maxim, something like that. Mary Maxim, Hirschner, something like that. And I think what happened was I ended up with more than one of the same size. Well, now I know, who cares? You need more than one of the same size. But anyway, at that point, I tried to exchange it for a different, I tried to do something. And that's when I found out that Furls does not warranty their product unless you buy it directly from them. Okay. So now it's not worth the $2 or $3 savings that you would get maybe if you buy it from a third party. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know why. I could guess, but I don't know why. So buy it from their website. Now here's the other thing. Back in the day, 3-4 years ago, when I bought something, you had to have your receipt. You had to keep track of all those receipts for that warranty to be good. Well, now they just go tippity tippity tip and they go, yep, I see that you bought it. And even last summer, I broke one and they said, no problem, we'll send you out a new one. Because I was visiting my daughter in Texas and they're located in Texas. And I think I contacted them on a Friday and I think by Tuesday I had my new hook in my hot little hand. Yeah, it was super quick like that. Well, this was different. They said, okay, here's your refund code. And I got a credit on my account. And I could use it for anything I wanted in the store. It was just a store credit. And I thought, well, that's different. It was different. And I didn't quite know how to use it because you know me in technology. So I looked at my little store credit thing and you had to copy the code and put it in the doohickey. And I almost liked it better when I just got a new hook in my hot little hand. Well, they were having a sale. So of course now, and I know that's why they do it, so now I bought more hooks than just the one replacement. So somebody's smarter than the average bear. Because you know darn well, if you give me a credit, I'm gonna spend more than the credit, which I did. So let's see what we got. I'll tell you what, it's been driving me crazy because I've been waiting to open this so I can talk to you guys. All right, I ordered 4 hooks. And they pack these things so well. see what we got. They're mystery hooks, so I don't know what color they are, but you did get to choose your size. Sometimes when they do mystery hooks, you can pick your size, but not your color. This time you got to pick, yeah, that's what we did this time. Sometimes, I can't even remember. Is it always pick your size? Yeah, I guess it's always pick your size, but not your color. So, and that's what this was too. You picked your size, but not your color. We got a problem. We have a problem. I ordered 4 hooks. It says right here, quantity 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 hooks. So I'll have to contact customer service, and they are fantastic in their customer service. So I'm not gonna have any problem at all. So let's see what we got. I love the boxes. They changed the boxes. It's so cute. It says on the box, it says, wait. Okay, where's the camera? It says, wait, open other end. So I ordered a G, an H, and an I, and 2 I's, because the I was the one that got broken. And so got one for her and one for me. Oh, this is the H, and it's a 5.0. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I never know where the there's the camera, it's over there. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. So that's the H. So we got that one. Ooh. Oh. Well, here's part of the problem. This is a J, which we did not order. It's gorgeous. It's all sparkly and white. I have hook. Oh, wow. Look at the color of that. So instead of an I, I got a J. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. So then this should be the G. It says peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, this is the G. Look at the color. You can't even see how gorgeous. It's a deep, deep navy blue. Yeah, the color is just not showing on this. It is stunning. I wonder if no, that doesn't help. I thought maybe white background might help. Oh, you can't even, there's no way to show you how glorious this color is. It is so, it's like a deep, I wish you could see that, there, you can see the silver shot and a sparkly silver shot through it. Oh man, that is so pretty. It's almost the same color as my shirt, which is a deep navy blue. Oh, that's so pretty with all that silver in there. Man, that's pretty. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. Love it, love it, love it. And that's a 4.0. So that's a G. Well, so I got a J that I did not order. And no, I ordered 2 I's and I got a J instead. So I'll send them an email and they will make good on that in record time. Peekaboo, so cute. I have over the years, I've had to contact their customer support 4 or 5 times, and they are just Johnny on the spot taking care of problems. Super, super quick at taking care of problems. We need to see a bouquet of these beautiful, beautiful crochet hooks. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Huh? How beautiful is that? That is nice. Okay, well, that's it for the pretty, pretty crochet hooks. So I will contact them and I'll let you know what happens. I'll let you know what they come up with and what the response is, because I guess, this is my guess, I'm gonna have a response within a couple of days, and they are going to immediately take care of the problem. Immediately. They'll probably want a picture, because sometimes they do. They're gonna want a picture of the box. They might want a picture of the box. They'll probably want a picture of this, and they'll want a picture of this. Nothing wrong with that. And then they will probably immediately send me out a replacement. And I will be very happy, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know what happens. So, I'm very, very happy, and it's been a long time since I've gotten a new furls, because I pretty much have all the sizes, but lately I've been digging for those 2 middle sizes, and because I've got them with my projects, and I've been digging and digging and digging. So I decided to get a couple backups. All right, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.